I fucking quit.
Oh my God, man.
So we're at the track. We got the wife's car. She's putting her drag pack on because she wants to run a number. She wants to race with the boys. She has to work like the boys. Just kidding. I usually do this for her, but she says she wants to do it.
I am woman, hear me roar.
And not only do we have the SS, we brought both cars. So we're gonna try to do something today. I just put new pads on the car, haven't drove yet, so we're gonna set the pads in while we're at the track. So first pass, I forgot to raise my limiter, so I hit the limiter on every shift. Went 10-2-1 at 136. Second pass, I don't know what it is yet. Felt pretty good though. I'm pretty confident it was a 9. I hope so. That'd be dope.
10.005 at 138.
You're fucking shit.
No.
What the fuck? It's never easy. 10.05. 10.05. We're out of fuel. Why are you recording crooked? We're out of fuel. See if C85 helps. Another one. The wife driving. fucking serious? So my wife has never made a pass faster than 11.8. And she just went a 10.02 at 135 with a 14060. How'd it feel?
Terrifying.
I fucking quit.
Oh my God, man.
8 down.
I fucking quit.
Oh my God, man.
8 down. 8 down.
Anyone got a small child?
Put another coat of wax on it. It would have been it.
It is.
Coat of wax.
It is dirty.
8 down.
There it is. I'm going home. She doesn't know.
Did I do it?
No. 10.000. What? Same as like 60 foot.
Are you serious? You liar. That's a 997.
Same 60 foot though, so.
I did it.
She went from running 12s to 9s. Well, there it is. A base model 2008 Corvette. Now we can pull some weight out this thing. There it is, guys. I didn't film my outro yesterday. I started messing with the SS. That video will be up soon. Had some pretty good runs with that too. New PP in the SS, so be on the lookout for that video. But there it is. Ran a 9 all motor on a combination I never expected to run 9s all motor on. There's the slip. So just ran 9s yesterday, but here's the new cam for the Corvette. Once I made the decision to stay all motor, I was still gonna race it for a while, but I need a new cam. So here's my new cam, of course, from BTR. Here's my new pistons. The current pistons in the car, they're dish pistons since I thought I was gonna boost it. But life changes, plans change. So what's cheaper than a supercharger? Pistons are. So we have some dome pistons now. These will go in the car, bump the compression up. They'll probably be around 13-1 with these pistons. Maybe 13.5 if I mill the heads down. But, yep, that's it. Just for all you guys saying that I use the motor's built for a blower as an excuse. It really is built for a blower. I'll make a video when the motor comes out to show you guys too, because I'm sure some won't believe me. But whatever. Haters gonna hate. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and like the video.